welcome to another reaction of the Super Saiyan Performance Encore YouTube channel. This is going to be my first time reaction to Madness, Night Boat to Cairo, official HD video. Very excited to get into it. As always, if y'all have any requests, type the artist sung by the artist down in the comments. I'll make sure to react to it. Same with Old School Saturday. If y'all have any requests for Madness, comment below and I'll make sure to react to it. Down in the description will be a Dropbox link. Click it, send your favorite pics, favorite artists to us. We're added to the slideshow. Down in the description will be a link to my merch store. Down in the description will be a link to the channel calendar. Shout out to Paul for the request. Shout out to the chat as this reaction is coming during the 15th Old School Saturday of the channel. Let's dive in.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Night boat to Cairo.
Aye. I keep clicking on the wrong video. That was Madness at Night. Madness Night Boat to Cairo. Official HD video. That was very cool. Shout out to the Madness user, the Madness official channel for posting this. That was very cool indeed. 22 million views plus 14 years ago, September 2nd, 2011. 178,000 likes. I loved it personally. Again, shout out to Paul for the request. Shout out to the chat as this reaction is coming during the 15th Old School Saturday of the channel. I thought it was very cool. For sure. I loved it. Like, I thought that was amazing. I thought the dude's voice, I thought he had a pretty good voice. The overall just beat to the song was very cool. Jammy beat. jammy beat. But not only that, some of the visuals were awesome as well. The in general video overall was pretty cool. The like like the instrumentals and everything you were hearing in the that I was hearing in the background sounded amazing. Mixed with his voice, of course. Um, and just in general, loved it. Like fun song, like you can tell, fun song for sure. I thought Madness did an outstanding job. This is my introduction to Madness. Never heard their music. Very excited though. A very cool introduction to them for sure. Shout out to Paul as always for the request. If y'all enjoyed the reaction, be sure to like, subscribe, comment below in the comment section for any request. Type the artist sung by the artist down in the comments. I will make sure to react to it. Same with Old School Saturday. If y'all have any requests for Madness, comment below now. Make sure to react to it. Down in the description will be a Dropbox link for the slideshow. In the description will be a link to my merch store. In the description will be a link to the channel calendar. With that being said, guys, as always, take care. Go show love, support to Madness. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.